Okay, that's hangma so mute kang la sharwa nganzu ki story loidi.
Ma'am,
Lo.
ma'am kole kala diye.
Nga kole kalting me I live in Sopema. Okay, so since today is Sunday, nganjugi Sunday recap session dojigi thanda pa nganjugi story ge gu jik lo chayo rwa. Thinang lo ne chindu sangma gi story chik chine nganju thanda yutso mezang story du cover chadu urtarwa. Yutso yo pa ina nganju story ge cover chadyo dosh chagrwa ke omare. So this is our first chapter, right? So this one I'm gonna ask Abu Ugain to read. Okay.
3 little pigs. Listen and enjoy this story. Once there were 3 little pigs, Sonu, Monu, and Gonu. Sonu lived in a house of straw. Monu lived in a house of sticks, and Gonu lived in a house of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. Sonu ran to Monu's house. The wolf came to Monu's house. He said, I will huff and puff, I will blow your house down. So he huffed and puffed and he blew Monu's house down. Monu's house down.
Exactly, Monu's house down.
Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. The wolf came to Gonu's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and he puffed and I will blow puffed, but he could not blow the brick house down. It was very strong. The wolf went away, and Sonu, Monu, and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house.
Very good. Thank you, Abuge. Next up is Stella.
Good evening, everybody. The bubble, the straw, and the shoe. Once upon a time, there lived a bubble, a straw, and a shoe. One day they went into the forest. They came to a river. They did not know how to cross it. The shoe said, Bubble, let us float on you.
Good.
No, shoe. Let straw stretch himself from one bank to the other. Then we can cross the river. So the straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. When the shoe jumped on the straw, it broke. The shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. The bubble shook and shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. Thank you.
Very good, Stella. Thank you. Next up, this one, Shimpe. Can you read the story?
Okay.
Let's go ahead.
Lalu and Pilu. There was a hen. She had 2 chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. He loved red things. Pilu was yellow. He loved yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red. He ate it up. Oh no, it was a red chili. It was very hot. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed.
Okay, good. Yep.
Mother hen came running. Pilu came too. Pilu said, I'll get something for you. Pilu brought a yellow lattu. Lalu gobbled up the lattu. his mouth. His mouth stopped burning. Mother hen and Lalu kissed Pilu.
Very good, Champagne. Thank you. Next up is Sonam. Sonam Yankee, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you read this story, please?
Tunggu deh.
Okay.
Yeah, now read.
Mittu and the yellow mango. Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot, with a red beak. One day, Mittu was feeling
No.
flying.
Yes.
He loved to fly. He looked.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
He looked down.
Mhm.
He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Mittu liked mangoes. I went.
Want?
I want to eat that mango,
Yep.
he said. He flew down to the tree.
Flew down to the tree.
He flew down to the tree.
Yep. In the
Calf, go away.
Yep.
This is my tree, said the voice.
Yes.
Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Cow, go.
Yes.
The crow shouted
Yes.
shouted. He had a very loud voice.
Good.
Mittu was afraid of the crow. He flew away.
Good. Okay.
Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree.
Good.
He had an idea. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. He picked the balloon. He picked the balloon with his red beak.
Good.
Pop! The balloon burst.
Good.
It made a loud sound. Loud noise.
Good.
Cow, said the crow. And he flew off the tree. He fell off the tree.
Good.
Cow, a big gun. gun
Uh-huh.
is after me, said the crow. Ka- He 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 flew away.
Uh-huh.
He never come back.
Never.
He never came back to the tree.
Good. The last
Thank you.
paragraph. Last paragraph.
Okay.
Mitu came to the tree and
No.
There's no act. Mitu came back to the tree.
Mitu came back to the tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Yummy, 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 yummy. What a nice mango, he said. He was very happy. Clever, me too.
Very good, Sanam. Very good. Thank you. Very good. Okay, next up is Giant.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you read the story, please? Circle.
Okay.
Okay, yes, let's begin.
Circle. One day, Mohini was sitting with her grandmother. Grandmother drew a circle. Can you draw a circle, Mohini? Yes, I can. Soon Mohini drew a circle. No, now I'll draw a ball. Grandmother drew 3 lines on the circle. Mohini drew 3 lines on her circle. It really looked like a ball. Now let's draw a balloon. Grandmother added a zigzag line to the circle.
Good.
Oh, it really looks like a balloon. Mohini clapped with joy. Mohini drew many circles, big and small circles, red, blue, green, and yellow circles. She also added zigzag lines to these. And now there were many balloons. Can you draw something else with a circle? Asked grandmother. Yes, said Mohini. She drew a wheel, a moon, a sun, a rabbit, and her own face. Thank
Very
you.
good, Giant. Thank you. Okay, so nganzu ta sulhasung top 10 lasung shemba sulhasung. Okay, top 10 Dashil, okay, Dashil Hasa. Okay, Dashil, you read Sundari and top 10 will read the tiger and the mosquito.
Sundari. Sundari was a big red, white, and blue kite. When Bobby made her, she smiled at him. You are beautiful and I will call you Sundari, he said. One day Bobby took Sundari to the fair. The band was playing and everyone was smiling. A merry-go-round was playing a happy little tune.
Yes.
It was carrying lots of boys and girls round and round on its wooden animals. Bobby looked for an open space where he could run and fly his kite. Sundari looked out in the grass. Ran Bobby, holding up his kite as high as he could. Puff! The wind came along. Sundari started to fly, but she could not go very high. A little dog was holding on to her long tail. It was in his mouth.
Good.
Bobby shoot the dog away. We will try again, Bobby said. This time Sundari leaped up in the air. She tugged her. Oh, how she wanted Bobby to let go of her string. She gave a big tug. Bobby had to let her go. Wee! Cried Sundari. Now I can fly as high as I please. And away she went. She flew up in the air.
Very good. Thank you, Dashil. Very good. Okay. So last up is top 10.
The tiger and the mosquito. A tiger was dozing under a tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. The tiger said, "Hey, mosquito, go away." The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." The tiger was angry. He hit out with his paw. The mosquito flew off. The paw stuck his
Own cheek.
on cheek. The blow scraped his cheek. It began to bleed. The mosquito buzzed away. The tiger stuck with his other paw. The mosquito flew off this time too. He hit himself. The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. The mosquito called out after him, "Did not be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way."
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Stella, can you introduce yourself in English?
My name is Stella.
Yes.
I'm 8 years old. I learn in class 3D.
And where are you from, Stella?
I'm from Kollegal.
Kollegal? Okay, great. I'm also from Kollegal. Good, Zilla. Next up, Abu again. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes. My name is Kama Uginima. I am from Shimla. My age is 7 years old. I go to Sambota Tibetan School, Shimla.
Okay, very
I study in class 2.
good. Okay, Abu again, thank you. Next up is Sonam. Sonam, can you introduce yourself?
Yes.
Go ahead.
My name is Sonam Yanki. I study in Giri Goenka Public School, Dharamshala. I study in 3rd B class. I live in Himachal Pradesh.
Good, very good. Thank you. Next up is Dashel.
Hello, my name is Tintin Dashel. I'm from Delhi. I'm 9 years old. My school name is TCV Delhi. I'm studying in class 3.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Next up is Champagne. Champagne, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Tenzin Shenpen. I am 10 years old. I'm from Bailakupi. I go to Sambuddha Adikomani School. My
Oh,
favorite subject is science.
all right. Your favorite subject is science. That's great. Next up is Jaye. Jaye, can you introduce yourself?
Yes. My name is Tenzin Jaya. I'm 10 years old. I'm sitting in class 5A. And
Okay, that's it. Lasso. Okay, I'm gonna ask. Zella, what is your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Mango. Okay. And Abuge, what's your favorite subject?
Math.
Math. Very good. Ani Sonam, what's your favorite color?
Blackpink.
Black and pink. Okay, good. Next up is Tashil. Tashil, who is your best friend?
Nato.
Metal. Okay, let's next up is Champagne. Champagne, you already told us your favorite subject. So I'm gonna ask, what's your favorite food?
Momo.
Momo. Okay. Then we have Topten, are you there? Okay. Jai, what's your favorite vegetable?
Vegetable. Carrot.
Carrot? Okay, Lasso. Okay, give me a second. One person just joined. Let's see who that is. Okay, Ale, okay, Sonam's iPhone, the top 10 Redwa. Top 10, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Tenzin Topden. I'm from Kolegal.
Yes?
I'm 11 years old.
Okay, and what's your favorite subject?
Math.
Math? Okay. Okay, ngege shempa top 10 gaji tanda account shempa ngege close chishen indala. Last tang az chapter week 1 ge revision thangma do sawa do che tang az yang same mama de chik lo ra yang odi sani mala goni ngan gi ya di che do chi gi indara an ngan zu tharing dus chini shagi tharing ngan revision sarsum. Okay, samala. Bye. Good night.
Good night, madam.
Good
Good
night.
night, ma'am. Have a great night.
Bye, Gila.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Good night. Bye, Gila. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.